Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A snowplow is a piece of equipment or a device that is mounted on a vehicle to remove snow and ice from outdoor surfaces like driveways, roads, sidewalks, etc. Sometimes, the term snowplow is also used to include the vehicles to which they are attached. Snowplows are usually attached to the front of the vehicle so that snow can be pushed to clear a path as the vehicle moves forward. They are one of the most efficient methods for homeowners and businesses to safely and quickly remove snow from their properties. Snowplows are manufactured in a varied manner to meet different requirements according to the location where they will be used. The following are the 5 types of snowplows. Front-end plows. They are the most common type of snowplows. Rear-end plows. They push the snow in the same direction as the front-end plow to remove snow more efficiently. Rotary plows. They blow the snow piled on the side of the roads to make a wider path. Wing plows. They work in combination with the front-end plow to clear the snow on the sides of the path. And underbody plows. They are attached underneath a winter service vehicle to scrape snow that has become compact on the roads. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.